Embarking on the exhilarating journey of crypto trading is akin to navigating a digital frontier, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. In this high-stakes arena, the pursuit of a flawless strategy, one that promises zero losses and all gains, becomes the rallying cry for visionary traders. Crafting a winning crypto trading strategy isn't just about seizing fleeting opportunities, but about building a fortress of financial success that stands the test of time. In the tumultuous seas of cryptocurrency markets, where volatility reigns supreme, the quest for long-term triumph takes center stage. Join us as we delve into the dynamic world of crypto trading, unraveling the secrets of crafting a strategy that transcends the chaos, promising not just gains, but a legacy of success in the ever-evolving landscape of digital assets. Educate yourself. Embarking on a journey into the crypto market demands a robust foundation of knowledge as a fundamental prerequisite for success. To navigate this intricate terrain effectively, one must stay informed about the dynamic developments within the blockchain space. Understanding the intricate technologies that underpin various cryptocurrencies and remaining vigilant about evolving market trends is imperative. Continuous learning emerges as the linchpin for making informed decisions and mitigating the inherent risks of the crypto market's fluid nature. In this fast-paced environment, where change is the only constant, traders need to embrace a commitment to ongoing education. Staying ahead requires not only a keen awareness of the present, but also a foresight into the future of the crypto landscape. Knowledge becomes a shield against uncertainty, empowering traders to make strategic decisions with confidence. By fostering a culture of perpetual learning, market participants position themselves not only to adapt to the ever-shifting dynamics of the crypto world, but also to capitalize on emerging opportunities. In essence, building and expanding one's knowledge base is not just a preparatory step. It is an ongoing journey essential for success in the volatile and exciting realm of cryptocurrency trading. Diversify your portfolio. In the realm of crypto trading, the timeless advice of not putting all your eggs in one basket remains profoundly relevant. The essence of this wisdom is encapsulated in the concept of a diversified portfolio, a strategy that disperses risk across various assets. This approach serves as a protective measure, lessening the impact of a single asset's underperformance on the overall investment. A well-rounded portfolio is achieved by incorporating a blend of established cryptocurrencies, promising altcoins, and potentially high-yield projects. By diversifying in this manner, traders not only safeguard their investments from the inherent volatility of individual assets, but also position themselves to capitalize on diverse opportunities within the ever-evolving crypto market. This prudent strategy aligns with the core principle of risk management, allowing investors to navigate the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency landscape with a greater sense of security and resilience. Risk management. Achieving zero losses in crypto trading does not equate to complete risk avoidance. Rather, it hinges on the adept management of risks. The key lies in establishing clear risk tolerance levels and implementing risk mitigation tools such as stop-loss orders. By defining the amount of capital one is willing to risk on a single trade, a protective safety net is woven, safeguarding long-term success. These risk management practices are akin to strategic maneuvers in the dynamic crypto market, where uncertainties are inherent. Embracing the reality that losses are an inevitable part of trading, the emphasis shifts towards controlling and containing potential downsides. This proactive approach not only shields the trader's capital from excessive exposure, but also cultivates a disciplined and resilient mindset crucial for weathering the fluctuations in the crypto landscape. Ultimately, zero losses become a realistic goal through the implementation of thoughtful risk management strategies that prioritize longevity and sustained success. Technical analysis. Harnessing the power of technical analysis is pivotal in navigating the complex terrain of crypto trading. By scrutinizing historical price movements, traders can identify strategic entry and exit points with greater precision. Chart patterns, indicators, and trend analysis serve as invaluable tools, offering insights into potential market movements. However, the efficacy of technical analysis reaches its zenith when harmonized with fundamental analysis. While technical indicators illuminate the historical patterns, fundamental analysis delves into the underlying factors that drive the market, Combining these two approaches creates a more comprehensive understanding of the crypto market, enhancing the trader's ability to make well-informed decisions. It's the synergy of technical and fundamental analyses that empowers traders to decipher the intricate nuances of the market, identify trends, and position themselves strategically for success in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency trading. Long-term perspective. Achieving success in crypto trading transcends the allure of short-term gains, emphasizing the significance of adopting a steadfast long-term perspective. Rather than succumbing to the temptation of quick profits, wise traders prioritize projects with robust fundamentals and enduring potential. The key lies in patiently weathering market fluctuations and remaining unwaveringly committed to strategic goals. While the crypto market is notorious for its volatility, those who adhere to a long-term vision navigate the undulating waves with resilience. By focusing on projects with lasting value, traders not only shield themselves from the impulsive whims of the market, but also position themselves to capitalize on sustained growth over time. This approach underscores the importance of discipline and strategic foresight in the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency trading, where a steadfast commitment to long-term success is the ultimate hallmark of a seasoned trader. Stay updated with market news. Navigating the intricate landscape of crypto markets demands acute sensitivity to news and events. Staying well-informed about regulatory shifts, strategic partnerships, and technological advancements is imperative. These factors wield significant influence, capable of shaping market dynamics. A comprehensive understanding of the broader economic landscape is equally crucial, providing the context necessary to make informed decisions and adapt strategies accordingly. Regulatory developments, for instance, can introduce both challenges and opportunities, making it essential for traders to stay ahead of policy changes. Similarly, partnerships and technological advancements signal shifts in market sentiment and project viability. By remaining attuned to these external factors, traders can proactively adjust their strategies, mitigating risks and capitalizing on emerging trends. In the ever-evolving realm of cryptocurrencies, knowledge truly is power, empowering traders to navigate the volatile market with foresight and agility. Continuous evaluation and adaptation. In the dynamic realm of crypto trading, adaptability is the linchpin for sustained success. As markets evolve, so too should your trading strategy. A prudent trader recognizes the importance of regularly evaluating their approach, drawing insights from both successes and failures alike. Each trade is a learning opportunity, and adapting strategies based on these experiences is crucial. Keep a keen eye on changing market conditions, identifying emerging trends that may influence your positions. Positioning traders to navigate the complexities of crypto markets with agility and strategic finesse.